Hello students, now in the accountancy, in the cash book we have completed all the types of cash book, that is 1 columnar, 2 columnar and 3 columnar cash book. Now today let's see that illustration number 7, that is from the following transactions prepare 3 columnar cash book of Shri Jamnadas for first fortnight of April 2016. First fortnight, that means first 15 days. Now see, first of all here I am today explaining illustrations only because some that we have solved. So from the first one, that is April 1, opening cash balance and bank balance. See illustration that is already given. See, this is the 3 columnar cash book. Both the balances are to be recorded on debit side. Cash amount, cash column, bank amount, bank column, right? Okay. Then the next one is third one. Goods of rupees 3 lakhs purchased from Nilesh at 2% CD and amount paid by RTGS charges rupees 30. Bank has debited the amount. Now what do you mean by RTGS? A new word comes, right? जब भी कैश ट्रांजेक्शन, बैंकिंग ट्रांजेक्शन हो nowadays that हमें यही पता है कि हम डेबिट कार्ड और क्रेडिट कार्ड से भी बैंकिंग ट्रांजेक्शन कर सकते हैं, right? But there are two more technologies that are introduced in the bank, that is RTGS and NEFT. Full form of RTGS, that means real time gross settlement, and NEFT means National Electronic Fund Transfer. Now both are same method, both are more or less same method, both are electronic fund transfer method. Only the difference is here there is a limit in transferring the amount, and in RTGS there is no limit in transferring the amount, right? So and NEFT's timing, that is up to 8 to 7. We can transfer NEFT up to the 7 o'clock only, right, which is given in the textbook, and there is no limit for the RTGS, right? So this is the only difference. Both these methods are electronic fund transfer method, means by online we can transfer money to some other person. So now effect of the third transaction, that is, now here we have purchased the goods, that means we are making payment, right? So that comes on credit side. So by RTGS charges 30 rupees and purchase account 2,94,000. Why 2,94,000? Because 2% cash discount is to be subtracted from 2 lakhs rupees. तो वो हो गया 6,000. तो ये हो गया 3 lakhs plus 30 rupees RTGS charges, right? Okay. Now the next transaction. Goods of rupees 1 lakh sold to Rajesh. He has sent amount through NEFT. Bank has credited the amount. Now here they are sending their payments through RTGS and NEFT, right? They are not sending any check or they are not sending any cash, right? Here mostly RTGS and NEFT वाले transaction दिए है. So now here we are selling goods, that means we receive money, so that comes on debit side. So see, to sales account, बैंक कॉलम 1 lakhs rupees, इसमें कोई वो डिस्काउंट वगैरह नहीं है. Then after 6, goods of rupees 4 lakhs sold to Mahesh at 2% CD. He has sent the amount through RTGS. Bank has credited the amount. Now here we are selling the goods. So 6 to sales account, right? उसमें 2% cash discount 8,000 and बाकी का ये bank. Then after next transaction, that is insurance premium 10,000 paid through NEFT and NEFT charges incurred rupees 3. Bank debited the amount in our account. We are paying this insurance premium. उसमें 10,000 इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम पे करे, 3 रुपीज़ चार्जेस पे करे. सो दोनों को रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ेगा. तो देखो ये बाय इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम अकाउंट 10,000 in the bank column and by NEFT charges 3 rupees, right? Okay. Now the next, salary of rupees 15,000 paid in cash. ये कैश वाला ट्रांजेक्शन है. तो सी बाय पेमेंट we are paying, that means payment, so by salary 15,000 rupees in the column of cash. Then after cash sales 30,000. So see 10, transaction number 10 to sales account 30,000 rupees in the column of the cash. Then after 10,000 withdrawn from bank for personal expenses. Now here we are withdrawing goods for personal expenses, right? So that comes on credit side. See, by drawings account, that means here business is making payment for us. So by drawings account, 12,000 rupees. Sorry, that 10,000 rupees, not the 12,000 rupees. Then after next transaction, that is 12,000 paid to Ramesh towards payable amount. Now we are paying, that means payment. पेमेंट है तो क्रेडिट साइड, रिसिप्ट होगी तो डेबिट साइड. तो बाय रमेश अकाउंट 12,000 इन द कॉलम ऑफ कैश. नथिंग इज स्पेसिफाइड, दैट मीन्स वी आर पेइंग कैश. That then after Raman has paid 22,000 through NEFT towards our receivable amount. Bank has credited the amount. Now see, Raman paying to us. So third, that becomes receipt for us. So to Raman account 22,000 in the column of bank. Next transaction, rent paid 5,000 means payment. So see, by rent 5,000. Last transaction, bank has credited rupees 3,000 of dividend. Right, bank has credited, that means this becomes our income. So receipt side, so 15 to dividend account, bank के column में 3,000. Right, after recording all the transaction, make the total, find out the balance, carry forward. Now you know that how to find out balance, carry forward, and write down this sum in your notebook also, illustration number 7, and try to solve this again by yourself. Right, okay, so see you. Good day everyone.